What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video, we will do a mukbang. What's the menu? It's KAO. It's a Thai food recipe. Everywhere, kahit saan kayo pumunta, there is always khao man gai because this is a popular recipe here in Thailand and it's good. It tastes good. This khao man gai, it's a chicken, boiled chicken, and the rice. Yung rice, yung pinagboil nila ng chicken, yun yung ginamit nilang tubig to cook the rice. So even the rice have taste. Okay, and we have this soup and chicken. Look at this guys, it's so good. Wow, can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, look at this one. Okay, so let's get started. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Okay, let's use our hand again. Okay, some people doesn't like to use their hand because after they eat, nangangamoy. So, ito yung boiled chicken. Sarap. Let's taste the soup. Wow. It's so good. Yung kanin masarap din. Cheers. Why I decided to do a mukbang? Before, I used to do the ASMR. But since then, itong kapitbahay kasi, it's maingay. Kasi it's a factory of metals, which is every day maingay. So, kung may narinig ko yung background na ingay, that's the factory. So, okay. I used to do a mukbang. If you have any suggestion guys kung paano ko baguhin yung mukbang ko, video ko, please comment below. Below. And of course guys, thank you for to my viewers every day, and thank you sa lahat-lahat ng nagsusubscribe sa akin. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Pagpalain po sana kayo ng may kapal. Please follow my Instagram at Omsin Eats. Ang sarap. Khao man gai. Khao meaning yung rice. Gai meaning yung chicken. So yummy. So good. Kagagaling ko lang sa work. And I'm hungry. That's why. Yung buhok may gulay. So good. Will use my hand na because ako naman yung kakain. Wax gourd. Itong chicken na to talagang walang lasa guys ha. Boiled chicken lang siya. Ang magpapalasa, mayroon silang binibigay na sauce. Very soft, very tender. Ang tender niya. Sarap. Cheers. Water. Simot. So that's it guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channels, please do subscribe and like this video. So see you next time. Bye.